Tesla has just shocked the world again, this time not with a new electric sedan, not a truck, not even a cyberbike, but with something we've only seen in sci-fi dreams, a fully functional flying car. And here's the wild part, it's priced at only $6,789. Yes, you heard that right. Not $60,000, not even $20,000, just under $7,000 for the most futuristic personal transport machine ever created. The world is now asking, how is this even possible? What does it look like? And is it even real? Let's take you inside the most jaw-dropping tech Tesla has released to date. So, what exactly is this Tesla flying car? Known internally as Project Pegasus, this compact two-seater flying car is designed to revolutionize short-distance travel. It's a perfect blend of drone-style lift with electric vehicle technology. From the outside, the car has a sleek, minimalist design signature Tesla. Think of a small pod with gull-wing doors, glowing blue lines across the frame, and a carbon fiber shell that's lighter than most scooters on the market. But don't let the size fool you, this machine is powerful. Now let's talk performance. The Tesla flying car features quad electric turbine fans positioned strategically around the chassis. These aren't your average propellers, they're whisper quiet, self-stabilizing, and connected to Tesla's new AI-powered flight control system. You simply choose your destination, and the car does the rest. The vertical takeoff system means you don't need a runway or even a parking space. It lifts off gently, straight up, like a drone, and smoothly transitions into horizontal flight. And inside, you'd think something this futuristic would be stripped down to cut costs, but Tesla went full luxury. The cockpit features a wraparound touchscreen interface, integrated with Starlink for high-speed internet at any altitude. There's voice control for navigation, music, weather, and even in-flight movies on the passenger screen. There's no steering wheel, instead, it's all touchscreen-based controls, with optional joystick support for manual flying in certain areas. And yes, it has autopilot. In fact, this is the first flying vehicle to come with fully autonomous air travel modes designed for urban commuting. Now, let's address the big question. How in the world is this only $6,789? The answer lies in Tesla's innovation in materials and battery design. They've partnered with a group of advanced material labs to develop UltraLite Graphene batteries, insanely light, extremely powerful, and cheaper to produce at scale. The body is made from recycled aerospace-grade composites, reducing cost without compromising on safety. Plus, Tesla plans to recover costs through a subscription model for air navigation, maintenance alerts, and digital flying licenses. Speaking of flying licenses, can you legally fly one of these? Not yet everywhere, but it's coming. Tesla has already collaborated with aviation authorities in select cities to create dedicated urban flight corridors. These sky lanes will act like invisible highways in the sky. Early adopters will need to take a 5-hour online training course to qualify for a digital flight ID, much like a driver's license but for the skies. There are also built-in flight restrictions to keep you out of no-fly zones and above certain altitude levels, especially in busy areas. In terms of safety, this little beast is loaded. It features a smart emergency parachute system, collision avoidance radar, air traffic sensors, and a full 360-degree obstacle detection network. It even has a backup mini battery to safely land the car in case of power failure. Tesla calls it the AirGuard system, and it's one of the most advanced safety systems ever built into a personal flying vehicle. And yes, it's already being tested. Private demo units have been spotted in Los Angeles, Dubai, Singapore, and even London. Test users say it feels like riding in the future. The takeoff is quiet, the controls are intuitive, and the experience totally surreal. For now, only 1,000 pre-orders are being accepted under Tesla's early beta program, with mass production scheduled to begin by late 2026. To top it off, the vehicle comes with an incredible starter package: a foldable Tesla remote controller, VR flight simulator training, a personal SkyHub login to connect with other flyers in real time, and a Tesla SkyPass, a digital key that unlocks Tesla flying ports at major hubs worldwide. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a daily commuter tired of traffic, or just someone who wants to own a piece of the future, this is it. The flying car is no longer a fantasy. It's here. And it's affordable, accessible, and absolutely amazing.